beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Happy Christmas to you all. Today let's make this yummy coconut rice, and in my pot I added in my washed rice, coconut milk and my meat broth. So I stir everything together to combine, then I'll cook this till it is a bit soft. And after that, we'll set this aside. Moving on to the sauce. In my pan, I added in my vegetable oil. I use this vegetable oil to fry my beef. You can go ahead to use coconut oil. That will be so good too. Next, I'll add in my chopped onion, and I'm gonna saute this till it is translucent. So I'll keep stirring, stir. Next, I'll add in my fresh tomatoes, and it is also boiled. So I'll fry this. Keep stirring, stir. So next I'll be adding in my roughly blended habanero pepper and tatashi. This will give it more color, okay? That redness, this is gonna be doing that for us. Okay, so I'll keep stirring, and next I'll be adding in my curry powder, my chicken seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning of choice, that will be totally fine. Next I'll be adding in my ginger and garlic powder. You can decide to use the fresh ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna stir everything together to combine. So we're building up flavor here. Next, I'll be adding in my crayfish powder, salt, cow skin, and my dry fish. Okay, so I'm gonna stir everything here to combine together. Test for salt, test for seasoning. As we are building up this flavor, the taste of the sauce matters a lot. Okay, so test for everything and keep on cooking. Next, I'll be adding in my meat broth, my coconut milk, and I'll be transferring back into the sauce the cooked rice. And I'll stir everything together. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the comments, the sharing. I'm not taking them for granted, okay? So you can use this as one of your meals in this Christmas season. So I went ahead to add in my meat broth, cook for a bit, and I came back to add in my grated coconut. And I'll stir a bit, and I'll cook this till it is completely dried. And this is my end result. The taste was amazing. Enjoy this with your friends and families. Share with your loved ones, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.